Okay, colleagues, I'm sorry about that. Myself or me, okay, we're going to do it this week, the coming week, and that other week. Okay, never mind the date over there. So, this is our first week. This is what we call the weekly lesson plan, colleagues, on our mixed curriculum. As you can see, it is straightforward over there. So, here, this on display here, it shows you display over there. This one shows you what you need to include on your theme table. I'm going to show you an example of theme table, okay? And then here is our theme discussion, okay? Theme discussion, theme discussion, theme discussion. What you're going to be discussing with the kids. All right, colleagues? And then here are activities. So here, a difference between a weekly lesson plan and a daily lesson plan. The weekly lesson plan just shows you the activity, joining the dots, tracing, and powder painting. And then when you come to daily lesson plans, at least the daily lesson plan is able to explain further what to do and what to use while you're doing those things. And then we have second activities, which we call music and movement, perceptual activities, and drama. So on Monday, if we are singing, on Tuesday we'll be dancing, and then on Wednesday we'll be doing perceptual activities, or you can just call them puzzles and games. And then here we have drama, okay? And then for the whole week, one storybook per week. So meaning the same storybook from Monday, the same storybook from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday. We'll be using the same storybook. Okay, colleagues? Now, on Fridays, we have this craft. We have craft. Okay, so now we're going to cut a cardboard and create a mirror so that we can see ourselves, which is based on the theme because our theme is me. And then we have homemaking activities. Then we're going to play dress up, okay? And then we're going to do skipping. You see, this is straightforward, there's nothing difficult. Now, when we go to our daily lesson plans, do you see this part, this part, this part, this one? You do it in the morning, colleagues, during morning ring, okay? That part where it says weekly focus. This one is breaking down. This is when we say that the mixed curriculum is fun, we are talking about this, okay? Because in the other curriculums, there's nothing like this. So the mixed curriculum has this. It is breaking down that weekly focus so that a child can benefit more and develop. So when we say our color of the week is red, this all are activities that you have to do with the kids in order for a kid to be developed, okay? You show them the color of the week, you ask them first, even though it is on the wall, you put it there on your theme table. What is the color of the week? It is red, right? You ask them while you are showing them, while you are pointing. You tell them to look around, to touch anything that is red. You can you can sing a song which is based on a rhyme, which is based on a color, on that color, I'm sorry. Show them an object, which is that color. When we say 3D object, we're talking about something that you can hold. Unlike when we say color and then we are pointing on a paper. Do you understand? So anything red, even their clothing as well. So, okay? Yes, colleague. So, let me see. You do the same with the letter. What is the letter of the week? And then you continue like that. You do the same with the letter. You do the same with the shape. You do the same with the number. They are there on your theme table. You have put them there. I'll show you an example. Okay. And now we are doing theme discussion. What are we discussing about today? You can start by rhyming in order for you to introduce the theme. How do you do? How do you do? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is. It's a nice song. So before you can discuss the theme, and then now you're going to discuss the theme, and then now you're going to discuss the theme with the children. The theme me, okay, all right, and then you'll get additional what is this? You'll get a theme discussion booklet for only a week. Okay, colleagues, and then we have a main activity. What are we doing? Is drawing. It says here, draw your mouth, nose, eyes, and your hair with crayon. Okay, your lesson plans come with a workbook, right? If it comes with a workbook, this is what you're going to find. And then this one, it's a side activity. It says form number 1 with Play-Doh. You just take Play-Doh while you are focusing doing the main activity. The main activity is a teacher-guided activity. So while you are busy giving your undivided attention to these kids who will be doing this, and then other kids are busy there forming a number with Play-Doh. So meaning you're going to cut those Play-Doh and give it to them. Or else do it in a way that each and every classroom must have an area, each and every area must have its own activities and resources. You understand? You know how that one goes. And then we have side activities or second activities. We are singing now. Baby shark boo 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 boo. Children are singing. It's fun. It is creative arts. And then now it's time for your story. If you can't find a story which is about your theme, just pick any story that you can find. Make sure that you read it first before you read it with learners, so that you can pick words that are new to them. You can even pick at least 2 languages that you can translate them into. We are reinforcing, we are teaching children language. Always ask questions when you're done, or simply ask for volunteers to summarize the story. Those children, those children who are gonna summarize everything. Ma'am, this is what you said. Ma'am, this is what you said the story is all about. Now here, everything that we have learned under recognition, when we say recognition, we're talking about focus, weekly focus. Under weekly focus, theme discussion, main activity, side activity, and the story time. The things that you have learned, how are they impacting a child, or how did the child develop? How are they developing a child? Everything is written here. And then another thing on the side is the things that are needed for those activities. Okay. So do you see this is straightforward? So I've shown you only Monday. This is, take note, this is Monday. I've shown you only Monday. So all of them, they work the same way. Yes, you have to go through them because activities are different. All those activities are different, but it uses the same system, meaning me showing you one, it means it's like I've shown you all, except for Friday. Right now we're gonna go to Friday and explore Friday.